as it is right now. There is an overflow of over 300 cubic meters per second in all the dams. So with a projection which our technical team are telling us, in the next 2 days, those people who are living on the lower part of Garissa, there will be a lot of water because it's not only from Kiambere. There is also heavy rain from Kitui, heavy rain from Meru, which join Tana River ahead of after Kiambere. So the people who are living on those sites, lower Garissa, lower Tana River, it's high time in the next 2 days we must move to the safest upper regions as soon as possible because the flooding is already starting.
We can tell clearly from this rain that we are going to have challenges of flooding in some parts of the country. This morning, our Principal Secretary for Interior, Dr. Kibicho, has put out a cable to all county commissioners and regional commissioners in the country to work with Ngao infrastructure across the country to ensure that we move all the populations in mudslide-prone areas to safe places. I am talking about Muranga, Taita Taveta, Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, and we are looking at the counties of Garissa, Tana River, and parts of Kitui, where we are likely to have certain challenges. In the lower parts near the Lake Victoria, Nyando and the counties of Kisumu, we are likely to have issues, as it were. We have been warned by our colleagues here. You've heard the director of this institution and what my brothers have said. I want to appeal to our fellow Kenyans, wherever they are. Please, let us listen to what we are being told. Let us listen to our leaders. You know, in cases such as we have, when we can see an impending danger, it is our responsibility as government to advise our people appropriately. And we have done this, working with the various structures of administration and working with the county governments across the board. And let us all take responsibility. This is about our lives. This is not about government. It's about our lives collectively.